Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general settings. Now we have to scroll down to the bottom again to find reset options, and at the top we've got the option looking for, so let's tap on it. Your device will ask you whether you really want to reset Bluetooth and overall networking, because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset if you're ready, and as you can see we've got this option, this information, which means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.